Hello viewers, this is Ram Narayan. Welcome to this channel. Today let us see the plastic handling and its disposal at home. We generally buy a lot of grocery items for home purpose which are packed in polythene liners. These have to be carefully handled at home and disposed of carefully. So let us see the videos to handle the grocery items received and how it could be disposed. In addition to the grocery items of use for our family, the main item is milk. So milk is also packed in polythene pouches and received for our day-to-day use. At least each family will be using at least half liter per day. So these pouches have to be emptied and then washed properly, cleaned and then kept for disposal, which you can also view in our oncoming videos. Hello viewers, here you can see in this video a lot of waste materials being thrown into the dump yard or you can say scrap yard. Here we see not only plastic materials, there are also cardboards, papers. This also becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies. So to avoid all this, the future videos will help you how to handle the items of waste materials at home, and same can be disposed properly by us individually. To avoid all this, we have to segregate the grocery items, remove the packing materials, keep it safely at home for further disposal. Here you can see the grocery items packed in polythene liners and related polythene packs that are going to be used by us on day-to-day basis. 3 to 4 decades back, the use of polythene for packing grocery items was very less. We used to get these items packed in paper. We were also using cloth bag for buying dry items of groceries for our day-to-day use earlier. Today we are living in a plastic world. We see all items of foods, groceries are packed in polythene liners only. PET bottles are also most commonly used by us today. Here you are seeing the dal pouch being cut open, not fully, till that 1-inch gap you have to leave in the end. Transfer the dal into a clean container. The cut flip is now allowed to be retained along with the main pack so that it is not separated. Now you can stack this empty pouch separately, keep it aside. In the similar manner, all the grocery items which are required on the day-to-day basis, we have to open the pouch, empty the contents into the required container, and then segregate all the pouches that are being emptied and keep it stacked in the manner being shown to you. The available empty pouches can be stacked like this, then rolled into a small bundle and kept aside for necessary disposal. You may otherwise even stack all these empty covers into a bigger, larger bags. You may have a rice bag or a cloth bag where you can put all these empty covers in and then keep it aside so that you can dispose it properly, hand it over to the concerned person who is picking up all these items. The government has created centers to segregate, recycle the waste in almost all town panchayats, municipality and urban areas. Plastic waste segregation at home level would be definitely of use to the authorities concerned to handle the same. The empty PET containers also can be stacked like this in a separate bag so that it can be disposed of properly. Next, you will see the most important activity of milk pouch handling and disposal. Milk is one of the most essential food item used by us daily for our various purposes. At least one pouch of half-liter pack will be definitely required for family. You can now see how the milk pouch is cut open, cleaned, dried, stacked before being disposed. You are here seeing a half-liter milk pouch being cut horizontally from one corner up to center of the pouch. The milk is being emptied into a container for draining out the entire portion of the milk from the pouch. Now you can see the pouch being washed with flowing water and rinsed 1 or 2 times to remove the milk solids. Now you can hang the pouch on a window by clipping it upside down for drying. Usually a corner portion of the milk pouch is cut and milk is drained into a vessel. This triangular pouch piece goes to the soil unnoticed through kitchen decomposable waste. The same remains in the soil for long periods without being decomposed. Instead, we cut the pouch horizontally to enable the cut piece retain with the main pouch. After the milk pouches are sufficiently dried, the same need to be stacked in proper manner and kept rolled into a small bundle so that it can be disposed to local vendors who come and collect the same. We can hand over all these waste polyfilms available with us along with PET jars, oil jars and other plastic materials directly to the centers meant for segregation and recycling of waste materials. Thank you all.
ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வீடியோ உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நம்ம வீட்டில் நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறப்போ நமக்கு பின்னாடி வர நம்மளோட ஜென்ரேஷன் கண்டிப்பாக இதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க. ஒரு பிளாஸ்டிக் ஃப்ரீ பிளேஸாக நம்மளோட இருக்க இடம் மாறும். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிடிச்சிருந்தா உங்கள் ஃபேமிலி அண்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ண மறக்காதீங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.